Facing up to the facts. Understanding a powerful English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, face up to the fact. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English expressions. So, let's get started and face up to the facts about this phrase together. Face up to the fact is a phrase that means to accept and confront the reality of a situation, especially when it is unpleasant or difficult. When you face up to the facts, you stop denying or avoiding the truth and deal with the situation directly. It's about acknowledging something that is true, even if it's hard to accept. To fully grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. 1. After months of struggling with the course, he had to face up to the fact that he might not pass without extra help. 2. She finally faced up to the fact that her childhood home had to be sold. It was an emotional decision, but necessary. 3. We need to face up to the fact that climate change is a real and pressing issue, requiring immediate action. In each of these examples, the phrase highlights a moment of realization and acceptance of a hard truth. Facing up to the facts is crucial for several reasons. It allows us to deal with reality more effectively, making informed decisions based on truth rather than wishful thinking. Grow and learn from our experiences, especially from mistakes or tough situations. Resolve problems more efficiently, since acknowledging the issue is the first step to finding a solution. 1. Reflection. Spend time reflecting on situations where you might be in denial or avoiding the truth. 2. Open communication. Talk openly with friends, family, or mentors about difficult truths you're dealing with. 3. Seek support. Don't be afraid to seek help when you're struggling to accept something. Support from others can make it easier to face tough realities. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and importance of the phrase, face up to the fact. Remember, while it can be challenging to confront unpleasant truths, doing so is a significant step towards personal growth and resilience. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you in your journey of English language learning. Until next time, keep facing up to those facts, and happy learning!